Another collision with a cow. Westmoreland businessman on bike dies. Mom in police custody after 8-year-old son dies in house fire. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Westmoreland police are probing a fatal accident in which a businessman died when the motorcycle he was driving collided with a cow at a section of the Waterworks Main Road in the parish on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as 46-year-old Donaton Dillon of Shrewsbury, Westmoreland. According to the Corporate Communications Unit, reports from the White Arm Police are that about 9:30 p.m., Dillon was driving his Yamaha motorcycle along the roadway when a cow walked into the path of the bike. He was flung from the motorcycle and received multiple injuries. Dillon was assisted to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. An 8-year-old boy died in a fire at his home in Top Lincoln Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Friday night. He is Ramiel Richard's son. Reports from the Morgan's Bridge police are that about 11:40 p.m., Ramiel was alone in the house when it caught fire. His mother, who was on the outside, raised an alarm and the fire department was contacted. After the cooling down operation, Ramiel's lifeless body was seen on the ground. The police stated his mother has been taken into custody pending further investigations.